Mr. Pipanya. Thank you for calling room service. This is Kalinyo Ohelica speaking. How may I help you? Okay, sir. I will repeat your order. American breakfast with orange juice and toasted bread with bacon. Room number 7 under the name of Sir Pipanya. Is the details correct, sir? Is this cash or room charge, sir? Okay, sir. Is there anything you need, sir? Your order will be delivered when it's ready, sir. Thank you for calling room service. Have a nice day.
Room service.
Good morning, Sir Titania. I am Kalinyo Ohelica. This is your order for breakfast. May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Where would you like me to set up your food, sir?
Just was there, please.
Okay. Excuse me, sir, your table is ready. Would you like to try our tequila roast that has only 5% alcohol, sir?
Ano?
Is there anything else I can assist you, sir?
No, thank you.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir. Please affix your signature in this portion, sir. Sir. When would you like me to clear your table, sir?
I will call you later.
Okay, sir. Enjoy your meal and have a nice day, sir. Hello, ma'am. Good morning. Welcome to our restaurant. Do you have any reservation, ma'am?
Yes.
Can I have the name under the reservation, ma'am?
Dagdag.
Okay. This way, please, ma'am. Is the table okay for you, ma'am?
Yes, fine.
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Do you want some water? Excuse me, ma'am. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Kalinyo Ohelica, your receptionist for today. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like some bread, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. This is your menu for your food selection. Just call me when you are ready to order, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
So, in our starter, we have blooming garlic rolls, and also in the salad, we have the marinated blau. And in our main course, we have the green blossom chicken. In our dessert, we have the chocolate charm. And our beverages, we have the spring cake.
At the starter, blooming garden rose. Yung sa yung dessert, chocolate.
Phase 1 ang biglang muna sa
your order will be done for about 30 to 40 minutes. Is it
Ma'am,
okay
hi
for you?
sir. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. This is your starter, the Blooming Garden Rolls. Enjoy, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done, ma'am? May I? Excuse me, ma'am. This is your main course, the Spring Blossom Chicken. Enjoy your meal, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done, ma'am? May I? Excuse me, ma'am. This is your dessert, the chocolate charm. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done, ma'am? May I? Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill, ma'am. Okay, I've received an exact amount of 1,000 pesos. Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you for dining with us, ma'am. Have a nice day. This way, ma'am.